Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see what is MySQL, an introduction to it, why we should use it and what are its features. So let's see. MySQL is one of the most popular RDBMS. So it is based on SQL. That means structured query language. So records are saved in the form of tables, rows and columns. So it is one of the most popular RDBMS. It was created by MySQL AB, which was a Swedish company. After that, MySQL AB was acquired by Sun Microsystems, and later on, Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems. So right now, MySQL is owned by Oracle. So it is being used by many great IT giants, you can say, like Facebook, YouTube, Flickr, and many other. MySQL is written in C and C++. Initially, it was released by MySQL AB, as I told you, in the year 1995 with the version 1.0. Its current version is MySQL 8.0.22 at the time of creating this video tutorial. Whenever you will install MySQL, we will see later on that how we can install MySQL. We will also install MySQL Workbench. So let us see what is MySQL Workbench. It is a UI for MySQL that is a very good graphic tool that eases your work in creating a database, tables and records and saving the records. So it is like a GUI, that is GUI, through which you have an interface wherein you can easily create database and tables on just click of a button. It supports MySQL server versions 5.6 and higher. So let us now see the features. Features, it is based on SQL as I told you before. It is open source, that is freely available. So we will see later how we can install it. We just need to download it because it is open source and freely available. It is friendly and compatible with PHP. That means you can easily connect it with PHP and create a website, create a web database and share it with others and work on it. You can connect easily and manipulate databases. So for example, using XAMPP, you can install PHP, MySQL and as well as connect both of them, create a new database in MySQL and connect both of them using phpMyAdmin. It is based on a client server architecture. It's very secure, flexible. It's one of the most secure database systems. So it is scalable. It supports large databases. 50 million rows is a big thing or more in a table you can create. Default files, the default file size is around 4 GB, but you can easily increase it. It is also compatible with major operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. So guys, we have learned about MySQL, but you would be wondering how a table looks like, how everything works in MySQL. So let us see. So guys, here is an example. So here we have demonstrated that MySQL has databases which has all the tables and records. So database has tables. This is our database. It is having tables. Every table is having rows in it and rows has columns. That means we have records here. So a database can have more than one table in it. So let us see an example here. So let's say we have a database employee records. Under that we have a table employee. Here we have database tables. We have, let's say we have one table employee. Under that we have the records, that is rows and columns. So columns here we have employee ID, first name, last name, EMP age, that is employee age, and EMP zone, that is employee zone. So these are 5 columns and this is how we have represented it. So guys, in this video we saw what is MySQL, why we should use it, what are the features, what is a MySQL Workbench, and we also saw how records gets saved in a MySQL database. What is a database? Database is a collection of tables. Tables has rows and columns which saves the records. So guys, in the next video we will be learning how to install MySQL. With that we will also install MySQL Workbench as well as Shell. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.